Alright, my name is Ajenla, the son of OBATALA. The word is bigger than what you know, what you imagine, what you have been meant to know, or what you believe. It's just a simple question that I ask, and the world is parabolating about it. I ask, is it possible for you to make sacrifice to Ogunlakaye Oshimole, to Eshulalo Ogirioku, to Shango Olukoso, and other IRUNMOLE without casting Obi, with the exception of Shango? As a Babalawo, you want to make sacrifice for someone, and you took or take the sacrificial items to issue, for instance, and at that point, after making the sacrifice, what is the next thing you are going to do? You're going to cast Obi, or not? It's just a simple question. Why must you cast Obi? Is it possible for us to neglect the role of Obi? Is it possible? Why can't we boycott casting of Obi after sacrifices? Why? You cannot understand the oath, the bind, the covenant between each IRUNMOLE and this Obi. You can't. Even Shango Olukoso is always praised as Olojo Elereke Obi. You can't play with Obi or its importance in making sacrifices. You guys can shout from now till tomorrow. You can say whatever you want to say, but let it be known that the word is bigger than Ifa. Obi is that single-handedly, or is that secret ingredient that can tell you that OBATALA has his finger everywhere. 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 If you like, call your Ifa apps. Call the Iki apps. Now you get your Ifa. You can call it whatever you like, right? But what I know is that after making sacrifice to your Ifa, or you say you are feeding your Iki, whatever the English you prefer to use, you will still cast Obi. You cannot neglect the role of Obi. That is where I am going. Right? If you like jump, if you like shout, you can't neglect the importance of Obi. It is good for you, right?